Hey, let's get ratchet. Good morning, everybody. Hello, friends. Hi. Hello there. So, this is part 6 of Cyberchopper build. Today, I'm going to finally mount the batteries, I guess, pretty permanently with the inverter also permanently. I'm hoping to attach the bus bars to the batteries, and hopefully we can get the batteries hooked up to the inverter, and once that's done, then we're self-contained, self-propelled. What's still left to be done is the belt tensioner, which let's see what I do first, because obviously I want to ride the thing with the belt tensioner. Oh, so you want to make a custom bike, right? You want to electrify, right? All you're going to be doing is drill, cut, weld, drill, cut, weld, drill, cut, weld. That's the basic configuration that I'm going for, except that you're going to have the thickness of the frame between those two there. Okay, and this will point towards the back, and this will be the front V cylinder configuration type thing. So yeah, that looks alright. Weld, drill, cut, weld. Drill, cut, weld, drill, cut, weld. So I can weld on the flat, it seems. So here we have the two brackets that are for the inverter. Ooh, look at that side. One over there and one over there. So the inverter will be mounted on the front, looking like the radiator. Nice. Right, that fits up quite nicely. So that does look a little bit like a bike radiator. Sweet. Okay, now for the batteries. Right, so I have this idea that we put the two they're going to be 4 batteries, two on top of each other here and 2 on top of each other there. That kind of looks like a V formation, almost looks like engine cylinder heads. That might look quite cool. That V formation will probably fit in that frame there, which would be quite a cool idea, unless it has to sit below that frame. So we'll just kind of have to see how that fits nicely. And then, as you saw, we'll put the inverter right on the front here, and that'll kind of look like a radiator. So yeah, might be aesthetically pleasing. So we're getting these batteries mounted quite nicely. Putting on these little nuggets over there are not very flippin' easy, but anyway, it's going well. So now we've got the V formation of the batteries and the inverter. So I'm going to bolt this thing down, put in all 4 cells, and then yeah, then we have to put in the bus bars, but that's looking pretty damn good. I'm going to pick it up now, put it against the wall, and let's see what it looks like.
Look how cool that looks.
Yeah, I think that looks so damn good. Batteries in a V formation. A V4, nice. Yes, so we've got a V4. We've got our inverter on the front. I've got the fan for the inverter. It draws down, so when the dust from the tire comes, it won't go up from the bottom there to draw fresh air from the top there. Now I'd probably like to put a stand on it so that the thing doesn't fall over, which has happened already. Oh, it's looking pretty damn good. Good. So what I want to do now is design a foot pedal. So I'm going to use 2 tubes and open up one of the tubes that it can fit around the others to create a kind of a hinge type thing. So let's see how that turns out. So what I'm trying to do is use all the bits of scrap that I have lying around. So I have some little bits here that I'm going to try and use for the pedals. Cut, drill, weld, cut, drill, weld, cut, drill, weld. So there's the pedal. That looks pretty damn good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up and let's see if we can get the cable attached. So what I basically have done is this. So you've got the little hole through there, put your cable through the hole there, and then you tighten another nut onto the other side, onto the cable. You can see it's crimping a little bit, but because the 2 nuts crimped against each other, you've got a little bit of play there. So when your lever moves, your cable stays straight, so that's not too terrible. Cable through a hole, and it's just blocked off with this setup like that, and then you've got your cable, you have your pedal. the second test drive with the pedal, the cable, the foot stand welded in, or the foot peg, whatever. Cool, let's see how this goes. That thing's ridiculous. It kind of goes. Cool. Alright, some tweaks need to be done. Like, subscribe, share if you want.